Hi friends, today we are going to show you electric three-wheeler by Kinetic Green. This is a three-wheeler approved by ARAI and with a lithium-ion battery. We'll tell you the features very quickly. Here is the dashboard, and in this dashboard you can see you have a mileometer, odometer, and also you have battery health meter, which will tell you how much is the battery capacity left in your vehicle. When it is in yellow mode, you have to put the vehicle into charging. It also comes with the wiper on windscreen. This is the integrated front fascia, which you will not see in any other vehicles, which gives you more safety and much more sturdy ride. This is the handbrake, and this is your key ignition. You see how this changes the. Now the vehicle is on without any humming or anything. As you can see, there are two modes for forward and reverse. So this is now in forward and this is in reverse. Moment you put it in reverse, it will give you a beep sound and alarm that this vehicle is going to go back. And this will also show you here that vehicle is in reverse. And now comes the modes. Typically in this vehicle, the speed is going to be 24 kilometers per hour. But when you change the mode from mode 1 to mode 2, the vehicle speed will increase, and in mode 3 you can get the top speed of about 45 kilometers per hour. I would also like to tell you one very interesting feature of this vehicle, which is a load gear. You see, this is a special feature that we have given, load gear. In case if you are on a flyover with fully loaded vehicle, then you just have to engage it and your vehicle will be ready to take the gradient up to 28 degrees. Now coming to the seating. This is a very spacious vehicle, and we have designed this vehicle for 2+2 and one driver. So altogether in this vehicle, 4 persons plus one driver can sit as per the RTO regulations and rules. This vehicle will get the RTO passing of 4+1. Although it is very spacious, even if heavy people can also sit here comfortably. And I'm going to show you now the battery part of it. This is state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion battery will give you longer life with better cycles. It has got more than 1500 to 1600 cycles, which means that for next 5 to 6 years you don't need to change your battery. And this is a IP65 grade battery, so any water splash or anything will not affect it adversely. Now here is the other electronic components parts, which are very well placed by our engineering team. And this goes like this. And also you can see we have a charging point here. So this is a toggle switch, and this is MCB. When you are charging your vehicle, you just have to switch it off and then start charging it. When the charging is over, relax for 10-15 minutes, let the battery cool down, and then you can switch it on, start using it. And this is a toggle button which also you need to change in other vehicles, but in this model this is defunct. This comes with the Anderson connector. This is our charger, a state-of-the-art charger, which you see can charge your vehicle within 2 hours from 0 to 100%. And after charging, you will get a mileage of about 70 kilometers per charge. When you talk about this charging, typically people think that, oh, we have to put some charging station or something. No. In this vehicle, you just need a 5 amps plug point and you can start charging it. You don't need heavy connection like 3-phase and things like that. You just need in single phase also you can charge your vehicle, and there's only 5 amps plug point. Here if you see from back, for the safety we have given indicators, brake lights, parking lights, reverse lights, everything. I'll show you here how. For the better safety, we also have regular tail lights. Now if you see the brake lights, can you put the brake lights? Yeah. So the brake lights, if you have here, you can also have reverse lights when you put the vehicle into reverse mode. Reverse? Yeah. So you have reverse lights also, and put in forward mode. Put in forward. Now, if you see the left and right indicators, very powerful, visible for a long distance. And if you switch on the headlights, now you remove the indicator, yeah. And if you see the headlights, it is also connected with the number plate is going to come here. So your number plate will be very well visible. And for safety, we also have a bumper here. Our regular tires with the disc and handbrake. And this is what is our Kinetic 3-wheeler right now available in Chedlapalli, Hyderabad.